Hello YouTube, Tube Radio Collectors. This is one from the past here. This is a 1950 model Viking roamer. It's sold through Eden catalog stores, made by Dominion Electrohome in Kitchener, Ontario. And there are different versions of it. They're all pretty basic AM 5-tube radio, tuning dial and volume control. It's very well made. Heavy duty bakelite. This one cleaned up very nicely. No chips, no cracks. Has the masonite back. Steel chassis. Galvanized steel actually. And 5-tube design, a 50B5, which is usually 1951 or earlier. 12AT6, 12BA6, 12BE6, and a 35W4. And these were very common at one time in this part of Ontario. It was priced right, it worked well. These were just all over the place, stuff like this, and you don't see them anymore. Somebody put this away broken, and you know, a lot of people from that era put things away because stuff costs so much in the hopes of repairing it. And that's when people repaired things, and they were worth repairing. I mean, a 3-year-old iPhone, is it worth repairing? I don't know. A 10-year-old one is garbage. Well, look at this. It's 70 years old. Anyway, I'll show you a couple things about it. Just going to turn it on, let it warm up, let those tubes warm up. It took a few things that had all original parts, so I put in new electrolytic capacitors on a small terminal strip under the chassis. All the wax caps were replaced. I didn't even bother turning it on because the cord was basically dry as dust, so I had to put a new cord on it. So new electrolytics. I put orange tips in place to the wax capacitors and turned it on. I got this.
Two members at the franchise's Kitchener-Williamsburg.
Worked great. Even when I tweaked the alignment was right on. The IFs were right on. So this worked at one time. It was just put away.
Today, COVID once again is.
Now, where I live, there's a lot of noise from hydro towers, and there's electric interference. I'm just going to show you an example. I'm going to turn on my work light. Adds a little bit of interference.
This doesn't stop, and if the numbers keep going up.
It has really good sound and is actually fairly sensitive for a basic design. Anyway, just thought you'd find this interesting. I saved another one from obscurity, and it's still quite listenable. You can play these for hours. You mainly get news talk, radio type of stuff. It's all about the same subject these days.
An effective scare tactic used to trick people into giving up their credit card information.
Oh, let's just turn that off for a while. Thanks for watching and listening.